Okay guys, welcome back to another DIY. Today, like I mentioned, we're going to try and remove the boot lock so that I can get a key cut for it and start using it again. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is remove these two screws over here, and I think we're going to have to remove this black trimming on either side with kind of just these Phillips head screws along here. So let's pull that off and see what we get into. Okay, so what I've done is I've removed the metal sort of pieces that are basically along this whole side here and across this way. There's just a couple of Phillips screws. Then I've removed this big Phillips screw, that big Phillips screw, and you can see over there there's another one there. So once you remove 1, 2, 3 and the two sort of metal clips holding it on either side, you should be able to remove this. So once you've got your kind of latch out, if you look in here, you'll see one bolt on that side. You're not going to be able to see with the light, but there's obviously the other bolt on that side that matches that bolt, so you're going to need to take those two bolts out. Alright, as you can see, I've now taken the two screws off, one over there and the other that side. There we go. They are actually 8mm, so you'll need a socket set 8mm, and once you've taken that off, you should just be able to push it from this side in. There we go, and kind of remove that out the way and just wiggle it out, and there we go. So barrel out. Now we're going to get this to a locksmith to cut a lock for it so we can use the boot or trunk lock, and then once we have that back, we're just going to pop it back in again, and hopefully we can then lock the trunk. So very short video, hope it helps. Thanks for watching.